Welcome to our guide on installing plywood panels onto a concrete wall using timber battens. Today we will be using the Stratlock SL-SFA clips and the SL-M10 clips attached to the plywood panel. Before starting, ensure you have all the required tools and materials. Using a measuring tape and a pencil or pen, mark the positions for the battens onto the concrete wall. Ensure they are evenly spaced to match the plywood panel size and layout guide and aligned using a spirit level. With the positions marked based on the Fastmount layout guide, pre-drill the batten for the screws to secure onto the concrete wall. Align the SL-SFA clips with the marked centres and secure with the appropriate screws. Using either screws or concrete anchors, secure the battens to the concrete wall. Ensure they align with your marked centres and are plumb or level. You may need to place shims in behind the battens to get all the channels on the same plane, so the panels attach flat. Next, insert the centre points into the SL-SFA clips, place the plywood against the centre points, and press hard to ensure the points mark the back of the panel. Using the marked centres on the back of the panel, drill the holes for the screws and attach SL-M10 clips to the plywood using appropriate screws. Make sure the ribs on the male are horizontal to ensure good engagement with the O-ring in the female clip. Before moving on, make sure all the female clips are centred. Place the panel with the clip side facing the channel and push into the female clip, engaging the first clip. Then, adjust the panel to where you want it to be and bang the panel to fully engage the male into the female. Repeat this process for the rest of your panels. Step back and double check the installation to ensure everything is secure and level. Congratulations, you've successfully installed the plywood panels using timber battens onto a concrete wall, using the SL-SFA and SL-M10 clips. Thank you for watching our installation guide. For more information and tips, visit our website or contact our customer support.